Good morning, I'm Iswati. I come back to see you again. So today I would like to show you how to grow snake plant in water with some gravel rocks. You know everyone, snake plant is very lovely plant that you should grow in your house to get more luckily, happily and healthy in your life. Yes, in this video, I will guide you how to grow them in the water with the gravel rock. Everyone, thank you very much that you always support my channel, you watching my video, and please help me more for encouraging me for to do some original video for you for watching. Thank you very much. So before I grow them in water, so I will show you some material and snake plant for you to watch now. Yes, these are snake plant, everyone. Yes, snake plant. Many kind of snake plants, and also snake plant. Yes, or you can call sansevieria plant. And also this snake plant, yes, snake plant too. And I will show you the video too. Okay, bottle of water that I will spray with my growing. Yes, when I growing. Okay. Yes, everyone. These are gravel rocks, white gravel rocks. These are purple gravel rocks that I also use in my growing layer for you for watching. Yes, these are oranges gravel rocks. Yes. These are pink gravel rocks. These are blue gravel rock plus of water. Yes, everyone. So we'll start with me now, and you will see. Okay, everyone. Out of this material that I will use in my video for show you to grow snake plant in water with some gravel rock. Yes.